Put chlorine on top of salt, and you'll make a lot of money. To start our tip today, in a container, I will add a kilo of salt. Then we will also add a liter of chlorine. The ideal is to mix well to dilute the salt completely. This is the secret that markets and factories do not want you to discover. I can't believe I've spent my whole life not knowing this. It's amazing. Chlorine is one of the most used items for cleaning toilets. In this tip, along with salt, will fully enhance the bactericidal effect and cleaning. Now we will also use disinfectant. The ideal amount for use is 500 milliliters. In addition to acting on cleaning, also brings the necessary aroma for cleaning your home. With this, we will mix again, and we can already notice the ideal consistency for the mixture. After I learned this recipe, I was impressed with the ease of cleaning. We will also use 2 tablespoons of baking soda and mix again. I always use baking soda for cleaning in my home, bringing the alkaline power and facilitating the use of other items. And before I forget, tell me which city you watched to send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Ann Smith from Scotland. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. To facilitate the application, we will put the mixture in a bottle. Here I am using the same packaging of chlorine, but if you prefer, you can use any other bottle. I am also using a funnel, avoiding the waste of the mixture. Do not worry about the amount of ingredients, with the ease that we'll have for cleaning. Using this tip, you will have a very large saving by using only a small amount for cleaning, for the use is simple. Just when applying the product directly to the toilet, we will already notice the cleaning. To facilitate the removal of yellow stains and also waste, we will also use a brush to scrub the toilet. I never had trouble removing the stains from the toilet after discovering this mixture. You can even prepare this mixture and earn money by selling to your neighbors and family members. Everyone will be impressed by the ease in cleaning. With this tip, tell me later if you got the desired result. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.